Hey y'all, this is Crystal and
Tara. Hello, hello.
we're going to besides read some more. We ordered some goodies from Craft Outlet, and of course you can see I've already opened it. Y'all, I get excited. But Tara, I'm going to show her today, so welcome and see what we have. Let's see. They have some really cute new mesh out there. It's so adorable. Look at this. Fuzz check mesh. Look how cute that is.
That is cute.
And it's like a cotton ball effect on it.
Oh, yeah.
And it's checked. It's adorable.
That is neat.
These are some of the new ones. And then look, like for the Bumblebee Wreaths.
Oh, yeah, that's really in right
ring.
now. Yeah.
It's got like the bumblebee effect on it. And this is another one. It's fuzz check mesh.
Oh.
And it's pink. It's got fuzz stripes on it.
That's
So
cool.
it's really cute. It's different. This is my oldie but goodie. I love this, but now this would be good for like the bumblebees too. But I use this for a lot of things. And then they had some new sunflower centers, y'all. You just have to get tickled. I was expecting this to be like I usually get for the sunflowers, and look, they're boards. They are bright and colorful and cute, but now I've got to figure out what to do with them. Okay.
Any ideas? Post it in the link.
And this is the Burlap Mesh, which I make the sunflowers out of. And there's someone want me to make the Ukraine. It's half yellow, half blue. So these are the colors that it'll be made out of. And then it'll have the sunflower center. So I got that in.
That'll be pretty.
I love that blue color, so it's a royal blue. And then I haven't made a rose wreath in a long time. So I got this, because it'd be a very beautiful rose.
Yeah, it would.
And I'm going to work on a rose wreath. And then, y'all, they hadn't had these farmhouse signs in a while. These are really popular. So I ordered a couple of those, too, to make some farmhouse wreaths, because they hadn't had any. They were sold out. So I was real pleased to get those, too.
Wow.
And
That looks like a good haul there.
I love my hauls from Craft Outlet. I get real excited like a little kid. But thank y'all for sharing this with us. If you ever have any questions about any of this stuff or where this place is at, it's Craft Outlet. They do have a Facebook page, and they also have a business page.
And we're not sponsored by them. We just get really excited with their
No,
deals.
we're not. But I do love their deals, so I'm all about sharing the wealth, y'all. When I go to Mighty Dollar or whatever, I definitely want to share the wealth. Well, we thank you for joining us today.
Thank you. Bye.